This is Global Update. Wherever you are listening to me this moment, I want you to take it seriously before it takes you seriously. Some strange things are happening in Nigeria, and nobody takes cognizance of it, and nobody holds accountable to it, and everybody meander. All the political elites from the north are the ones sponsoring insurgency, mayhem, unwanted killings, early graves. I said it is not good to be taking human life unnecessarily and for granted. It is obviously very, very bad. So the information we are getting now is telling us that about 50 people have been confirmed dead by Zamfara police command, and about 17 police officers are no more. So it's very, very bad to hear. And according to the report, they said the death toll is still rising. They have not given the real figure of the casualties, people who fall a victim of the explosive fire in Zamfara market. What I'm trying to tell you this moment is that Zamfara state caught fire by explosive device. So now you can see Red Cross, they are there. And they have not tell you the number of the people who are wounded. So I condemn it outrightly. Whether if you are an Hausa, you are a Yoruba, you are a Middle Belt, you are a Biafran, I said it is not good for somebody who come to the market to look for his daily bread now will be found in the mortuary, or will it just be gathered the pieces to the grave. I said it is very bad. So what is this telling us? It's telling us that indeed Tinubu's government is incompetence and illiterate. Tinubu's government is full of confusion, anarchy, and just like I said previously, everywhere is grave in Nigeria. Everywhere is grave since Tinubu assumes office. So this moment, the question is this: who are the people who donated the bomb that exploded in the market? And why should somebody get to the market square, and donate the bomb? For who and why? And this brings us to say that what Donald Trump have said is truth. Nigeria government Both the previous one and the present one should be investigated of terrorism, because this is a terrorist act. And when you talk of terrorism, that is a criminal offense, a treasonable offense, without partiality and without favoritism. But what is happening today, partiality and favoritism is the order of the day. I talk of silence conspiracy. Silence conspiracy. So, which means when the Fulanis, Hausa Fulanis, are busy killing other people, you remain what? Silent. You don't say a word. You don't condemn it. Then tell me, how can Fulani shall come from nowhere to Nigeria and begin to fight for land? But don't forget that as I'm talking with you now, that there is a serious war between Hausas, the real Hausas who own North, and the Fulanis. And what is the cause? The cause is that the Fulanis have taken over the northern region. And anywhere you go in the north, a Fulani man is the chief, is the Sariki, is the Sultan. Anywhere you go in the north, a Fulani man is the governor. A Fulani man now is the president of Nigeria. So these have intimidated the real Hausas for them to see that they are now living on charity. It is whatever that remains that Fulanis will give to them. They have no right, they have no choice for what belongs to them. And this is an incredible thing to believe. So, all what you see going on now, in my own summary, I will say that this is the time for Donald Trump to step up, to know very clear, it is very clear now that Nigeria state is a terrorist country. If somebody can donate a bomb in the market and it exploded and police officers dies, so you know what it means. Automatically, there is no safe place. So wherever you are listening to me, you may take it seriously. You may take it for levity, because I know my people. It's until it happens to them before they will react. If it didn't happen to them, they will not react. They will not get up. So, my father said, when you see your neighbor's BS catch fire, you should use water and wash your own BS. All right? It can happen in any state. It can happen to anybody. Those who have died today did not plan for it, but they have taken something they did not expect. They are no more. So, Biafrans, be on your guard and be specific in whatever you are doing, because there is no time left. There are those who don't believe. Very soon, you will believe. As many people have gone today, tomorrow may be the turn of another set of people. But what is the offense of these people? Nothing. Only that Fulani Mietiala terrorists want to take over Nigeria as their own country. So, this message is to whom it may concern. So, get up. Trump said so. Fight for your village. Fight for your nation. Fight for your community. Fight for your family. Fight for yourself. Self-determination and self-defense is not a crime anywhere in the world. So that this incessant killing can be put to an end. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't be surprised that those who caused the mayhem are still very much around. So, Biafrans and Biafran agitators, Biafran leaders are vindicated. Thank you.